Hello everyone, today we will introduce 4-in-1 compressor with tank and dryer. Today we will introduce 3 parts. First part, how to use the compressor for the first time and for the daily use and some vulnerable parts. Let's see the compressor. This one is 15 kilowatt. The voltage is 220 watts, 16 hertz.
Okay, next while we check the inside.
After you receive the compressor, you need to check everything. First, this is our instruction manual. You need to take it out. Next, you need to check inside of the compressor. If there anything inside, you need to take it out.
In shape, we will put the spare parts inside our spare compressor. So when you receive it, please take it out.
Second, you need to check the oil level. The oil level should between the two red line or a little
low
above.
And here is the high. Within here will be better. Within here.
Third, we need to connect the power. This one is 220 watts, 16 hertz. So there is 3 leaf lines. You need to connect the power.
Take it like this one. Connect the light to here.
Finally, after connecting power of the compressor, you need to open the air dryer first for about 5 minutes.
When we put on the air dryer 5 minutes, then we open the super compressor by here. Open by here by the controller.
Next, the second part for the daily use. Each time you use the compressor, you need to make sure at least you use the compressor for about 1 hour. Otherwise, there will have some water inside this barrel, and then you need to dry the water from here until the oil appears. The second part, you need to use the air gun to blow the dust inside. If the compressor has some dust inside, you need to blow.
Such here, this filter.
Yes, because too much dust will cause the blockage inside the compressor. Third part is about the maintenance. There are filters such as this oil filter, air filter
inside the air filter,
and the oil separator
inside here,
oil separator, and then the precision filter
or light filter.
Yes, you need to replace. Also the oil, you need to change the oil.
So totally it's 5 parts. 3 filter and the light filter or precision filter, and here is compressor oil. Totally is 5.
Also, the first time you need to change 500 hours, and after that 2,500 hours.
Yes.
Finally, you need to drain the water from the air tank.
Inside the air tank, normally will have water. So you need to dry it daily or 1 week, depending on your use.
Yes.
And like this, you also can add this automatic dry valve like this. Just dry water, not any air. Like
yes.
This one.
Yes, you can. This one is extra. You can buy from us.
Yeah.
Finally, let's introduce the vulnerable part for the compressor. First is the intake wheel. The intake wheel for the compressor. This one. And this one is minimum pressure wheel. At this place. Then it's a controller. Controller you can keep it as a spare parts. Controller for the language, we can make the language in Spanish, Russia, Chinese, English, Prussian also. Finally, for the pressure sensor, and the temperature sensor, you can keep this as a spare parts.
Yes.
This pressure sensor is very easy to break. If this break on the controller, it will show high temperature. The temperature will incorrect, and you need to change this. For the dealer customer, we recommend you keep this as a spare part.
Yes, yes. And for this inventor, now we have 3 brands. This one and Zhengxian and Innovance 3. And inside the square compressor, all parts we can provide. All parts we can provide. If you need anyone, you can contact us. And here for the air dryer, also have a electric
Wait.
Electric
wheel.
Electric well, easy to broken. You can also buy some as spare parts, change in the future.